It's recording. So, Natalie, I'm very proud of you.
Good job, Natalie.
Oh.
Can I hold that? Earth Day. Woo!
Wow. It's thick.
Okay.
Turn around. Let me see you. Turn around.
What?
Well, turn around this
and then
way.
Hold your and then hold the hair like that. Yeah.
And don't drop it. Wow.
Okay.
Now turn around your back. I want to see what you're. Oh my gosh. You said you wanted it kind of layered in the front, or?
That one time when I cut my hair really short, I don't know, did you ever thin my hair before?
No, but I layered the layers.
Yeah, like however you.
Yeah, you don't want it to come apart.
Okay.
Wow, Nat.
Okay.
Your hair is so thick looking.
So
Put your hand through it.
come on, follow me now. I'm going to shampoo you.
Drop it down.
Good job.